I'm up here in Alberta, Canada, installing an AgCam on a Fendt tractor, and oh my gosh, is it easy. All you need to buy from your AGCO dealer is an AgCam and an adapter cable. That's it. Let me show you how it works. All right, couple things to consider here when you're installing this on a Fendt. Sometimes these connections will be right here, sometimes they'll be behind the armrest. You gotta find them. Now, the most important thing is, as you'll notice in this particular one, there's 4 ports. These green ones, no bueno for this. I don't know what these do. I'm sure it's something really cool, but it's not something that helps us right now. So, you screw in the adapter cable right here into port number 1, run it down to our switchcraft connector cable, run it through the back window, and there's our AgCam, ready to go. This is the front camera, and here's the rear. It's that simple. It's really that simple. What am I gonna do the rest of my day? My boss thinks I'm working, and I'm supposed to be installing this for hours, but apparently I'm either that good or our camera kits are that good. It's probably the latter. I'm working, boss, I'm working.